Hello and welcome. I'm Max. This is the show where in just 6 minutes we learn some useful English words.
Hello, Max. I have to be honest with you.
Okay.
I have been sitting on my sofa all morning doing absolutely nothing.
Nothing? No work? No emails?
Nothing. Just sitting, drinking tea, looking out the window.
That's terrible.
Actually, I think it might be good for me. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Oh, is it?
Yes, today we are asking, is doing nothing actually good for you? But first, I have a quiz question.
Of course you do.
What is the slowest animal in the world? Is it A, the giant tortoise, B, the three-toed sloth, or C, the koala?
I think it's the koala. They always look very relaxed.
Okay, the answer comes at the end. Before we go further, please like this episode and subscribe to Easy Bites podcast. It helps more people find us.
So, doing nothing. Most people feel bad about it, like it's lazy, like they're wasting time.
Yes, we always feel we should be busy, working, studying, doing something useful. If we stop, we feel guilty.
Guilty means you feel bad because you think you did something wrong. I feel guilty every time I sit down and don't immediately do something productive.
Same, but scientists say this is wrong. Animals show us something interesting. Ants, for example. Everyone thinks ants are always working, always busy, always moving.
Yes, ants are like the symbol of hard work.
But researchers found something surprising. At any moment, about half of all ants in a group are doing nothing, just sitting there, not moving.
Half of them? Really?
Half. And the group still works perfectly well. The ants that rest are ready to help when something goes wrong, when other ants get sick or something bad happens. The rest is not wasted time. The rest is preparation.
So, doing nothing is actually a kind of work.
Exactly. And it's the same for humans. When your brain has quiet time, when you're not looking at a screen, not answering messages, not thinking about your to-do list, something important happens.
What?
Your brain starts to wander, to think freely, and that's when creative ideas come. That's when you suddenly understand something that was confusing before. That's when you solve a problem you couldn't solve when you were staring at it.
I've had that. I was stuck on something at work for days. Then I went for a walk, not thinking about it, and suddenly the answer came.
Because your brain needed space. Boredom is not empty. Boredom is actually full of something. Curiosity, creativity, new ideas.
So next time I feel bored, I shouldn't immediately pick up my phone.
Right, just sit with the boredom for a moment. Let your brain wander. Something good might come from it.
Okay, quiz answer time. What is the slowest animal in the world?
I said 3 options, tortoise, sloth, or koala. You said koala.
And?
The answer is B, the three-toed sloth. It moves so slowly that green plants actually grow on its fur.
Living so slowly that plants grow on you.
The ultimate rest.
Okay, the words from today. One more time.
Guilty. The feeling that you did something wrong. I feel guilty when I rest instead of working.
Busy. Having a lot to do, always doing something. Everyone thinks ants are always busy.
When your mind moves freely, thinking about different things without a plan. When I'm bored, my mind starts to wander.
Creative. Able to think of new ideas. Quiet time helps your brain become more creative.
Boredom. The feeling when you have nothing to do and it feels empty. Boredom is not bad. It can bring new ideas.
5 words, all from today.
Our question: when was the last time you did absolutely nothing? How did it feel?
Write it in the comments. If this episode helped you, please like it and subscribe to Easy Bites Podcast.
This was Easy Bites Podcast. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Max. Go sit on your sofa. Do nothing. It's good for you. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.